Here's a couple of Trane Odyssey units here in Thompson, Georgia at a gas station. Big climate tough reciprocating compressor in there. One of these was just running, so it might come back on. This is a 7.5 ton from 96. Would assume this one's the same. Oh, there's no data on this. Oh, no, I stand corrected. It's right there. This is from 2001, and it's also a 7.5 ton or 90,000 BTU. Got a couple of refrigeration components right here. We got some graffiti right there. As I was getting ready to leave, one of them just kicked on. It's all nice and cold, but it ain't sweaty. Anyway, that's gonna be it.